This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, this is Venkat. I'm going to teach the Talend ETL training. Okay, so there is a n number of programming languages, n number of tools are there in the market. But why we need to learn Talend? Anyone having idea? If you learn something, we need to get some benefit, right? Anyone having idea, team? Why we need to learn Talend? There is a n number of ETL tools, sir. Talend is the ETL tool.
It is graphical, easily drag and drop.
Yeah, very good point. We can easily drag and drop, and we can develop the process. Very good. Other than that, yeah, let me explain it. So this is a open source. Talend is a open source. We can download from the Talend website. We can develop the project. Compare with other ETL tools. Compare with other ETL tools. Less cost. Assume that I want to develop one project. So 10 members are required to develop it. Suppose, so other ETL tools cost, assume that license cost, assume that 10 lakhs. But Talend also is required 10 members. Assume that you will get the cost is around 4 to 5 lakhs. Half of the amount you are saving. Assume that 5 lakhs. Half of the amount you are saving the per purchasing the product itself. So I can save some amount, right? The same work I can do by using the other ETL tools along with Talend. Both I can do it. But half of the amount I'm saving the for purchasing the product itself for Talend. So that's why most of the customer is preferable Talend ETL tool nowadays. Most of the people, most of the customers, they are ready to use in Talend. All upcoming ETL project will come under Talend. Already previously developed project also they are moving into Talend slowly. Okay, the process is running, right? They stabilize it, right? So going slowly, going further, they're moving from other ETL tool to Talend. See, I'm saving the some 5 lakhs amount. So that's why if you learn Talend, you will get more salary. They will, for who is the working under ETL Talend, they will, the resource, you will get the more package. Okay, so openings are good in the market. Talend openings are good in the market. Okay, lot of openings are there in the market. So you will get job easily, 100% you will get job, but you have to practice from day one itself. Okay, so any questions, team, so far? Why we need to learn Talend? So there is a number of ETL tools are there market. So Talend is one of the ETL tool, good famous in the market. Any questions so far? Why we need to learn Talend? To learn Talend, it's not required coding, just basic analyzing. So how to load the data, how to populate my data from source to target. So analyzing, if you good for analysis, so you will easily get the job. Okay, so any questions so far? Why we need to learn Talend? So lot of onshore opportunities are so available for Talend ETL tool, like Singapore, Malaysia, US, Switzerland. Lot of openings are there. So you, even all MNCs like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HCL, Cognizant, Virtusa, Citibank, All MNCs, Deloitte, for every company they are using the Talend ETL tool. So you will get the job easily if you learn Talend properly. Okay, so let me move to next. So let me take some example. Okay, so what are we are going to cover it? So this is the Talend ETL course. We are going to cover it. Let me show you. So this is the course. So the course duration 35 working days. So Monday to Friday. So the regular class timing 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily IST time, Indian timing. There is no change. The regular classes will going to start from the regular classes. Tomorrow is the Ramjan, right? So that's why. So some Muslim people are also joining. So that's why we're going to start from regular classes from 4th May. 4th May. The regular classes is going to start from 4th May. The same link. The same link. Okay. So this is the content we are going to cover it. So Talend software installation. I will give the Talend softwares. I will explain it how to install it. What are the Oracle software? So what are the required software I will provide you? So I will explain you how to install it. I will take separate class. I will explain it one day class. So along with data warehousing concept and Oracle, we are going to cover the Oracle basics along with Talend components. We will call as the components here. All the components will cover it. Okay. So these are the course content. I will share you course content also. Will cover all how to connect Oracle database, how to connect S3 connections, how to connect MySQL. So we'll cover the different databases, how to connect it also. Along with we'll cover real-time scenarios and interview questions and answers. So how to schedule the job tag, we'll explain it. Project explanation, mock interviews, we'll conduct it. Okay, this is the course content we're going to cover it. Okay, I will share you this content for everyone. Okay, so if you learn this course content properly, it is very useful. Most of the interview questions they're asking from this course content. Whatever we are going to teach it, those questions only 100% they will ask it. Okay, so let me take some example. Let me explain it. So then we'll take some questions from you. Okay, so let me. So assume that I have one source. So let me take my source. So let me go for my source. I have one source folder. In that there is a one source file. Let me take one source file. Let me take different files. Let me take one file. So assume that there's empagg. So let me open this file. What is this file? So this file having how many records, team? Anyone having idea how many records? Is it 9 or 10? Is it 9 or 10 records? How many records are there, team?
Nine records.
Very good.
9
So there is a
records.
first record. Perfect. So first record is a not a data. It is a header. It is the column names, field names. So the remaining having 9 records. So for employee number, employee name, job, salary, deputy number. Something is separator. That separator we can call as a delimiter. What is the delimiter in this file, team?
Comma.
What is the delimiter in the comma? Perfect. So this is the comma delimited file. This is the text file. This is the comma delimited file. I want to read this text file. I want to read this text file in Talend. There is some component. tFile input delimited. By using the tFile input delimited component, we can call as a components in Talend. So by using the tFile input delimiter, we can read the text files and CSV files. We can read the text files and CSV files. So I want to load into another text file. So I want to read this one. This is my source. So I want to load into a target. I want to load into another folder or the same folder. I want to generate the different file. That is also I want to generate the txt files. I want to generate the txt file means we have to use some component in the Talend. What is that component means? So there is a tFile output delimited. By using the tFile output delimiter component, I can generate the text file and CSV file. So I don't want to load all the records. I want to load only particular records whose DEPT number equal to 10. So how many records are there? DEPT number 10, team? In my source, how many records are there? DEPT number 10?
3.
3 records. I want to load into my target only 3 records. So I want to filter the data. What I am doing, I am writing some condition. I am deriving some condition. It means I am filtering the data. I want to filter the data means there is a one component in the Talend. So tFilterRow component. By using the tFilterRow component, I can filter the data. I can write some conditions, some derivations. I can write it. Who is this HP? Can you keep on mute, guys? Okay. So now, so I know my source. I know my target. I know my business transformation. I know what is my condition. So how to implement in the Talend, we'll see. So first, this is my source, right? We need to import the metadata. How to import the metadata, we'll see now. First point, we need to import the metadata. How to import the metadata in the Talend, we'll see. I will explain you how to install Talend in the further classes. So let me go for metadata. There is a metadata section. This is the repository where we can store the jobs and metadata. So let me go for metadata section. So this is the text file, right? So in the text file means there is a file delimiter. Right click the file delimiter, create a file delimiter. So provide the file name, src. What is my source file name, team? empagg, emp underscore agg, emp underscore agg, demo. So click on next. Browse the file where this file is available. It is there in the documents, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, batch 745 in the March folder. It is there, right? So let me browse that folder. So let me browse it. Nandini Software. So let me go for source folder. So let me go make it the text files. Can somebody find it? empagg. So let me select this file. Click on next. What is the field separator, team? In the my source file, what is the field separator? What is the column separator? Employee number, employee name, something, comma. So there is a by default field separator semicolon. So I need to make a comma as per the source. So is there any header record? First record is the column names or data? First one is header record. First record is a header record. So I need to make a header. How to make header means there is a one option. Header is disabled here. I want to enable it. So there is a one option. Set heading row as a column name. Set heading row as a column name. Select this option. See, header is enabled one. So I'm unchecking it here. See, disabled. I want enable means we have to select this option. So one record only, right? So that's why I'm giving header one. If you're having 2 records means we have to pass 2. So click on refresh the preview. Click on refresh the preview. Click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. So let me go for my job design. Create a job. How to create a job means job designs, create a job. Provide the job name. Demo 40. Click on finish. It will open the designer workspace. So the designer workspace is opening. It is loading. Okay, so now I want to use the source. So I already imported metadata, right? Let me go for metadata section, file delimiter, src agg demo 40, right? emp agg demo 40. So I want to read the text file. Which component I have to use, Tim? As we discussed earlier, which component I have to use it? I want to read the source text file. Which component? T file in perfect. We need to use the T file in perfect. So let me select the T file input delimiter. Click on OK. So keep the cursor here. So I want to take the, I want to load into text file. Which component I have to use, Tim? Is it breaking my voice?
tFile output.
Are able to hear my voice properly, Tim? It will not break it.
Yes, yes.
Is it fine, my voice?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. If you're facing any issues, drop and rejoin back. Okay, we have multiple networks. We can switch also, no issues. Okay. So now, so I want to generate the text file. So we need to use file output. So I want to generate the text file. We have to use the tFile output delimiter. Let me drag it. So I want to filter the data. Which component I have to use, Tim? As we discussed earlier, I want to write some condition.
tFilterRow.
Very good. So there is a processing. So there is a tFilterRow. Let me take it. So this is my source. This is my target. I want to process it. So we need to give the mapping link. How to give the mapping link means keep the cursor here. Right click it. Row and main. So right click this one. Okay. One second. Distract it. 1 second. So keep the cursor here. Right click it. Row and filter. So double click the source. Verify the properties. Nothing. No need to define it. I already defined it. So let me go for tFilterRow. What is my condition, team? What is my condition? What is my condition?
Good.
DPT number equal to
That's
10.
what my
So there is a plus symbol. Condition section. There is a plus symbol. Add the plus symbol. Select the input column. DEPT number. Operator. There is a multiple operators. Let me select the equals 10. So let me go for the output file. tFile output delimiter. Browse the target path where I have to save it. So let me go for the Nandini software. Can somebody keep on mute, guys? Small request. We'll take your questions. So let me browse the target path. So let me browse the March folder. Let me browse the target. So let me tzt. So let me give demo 40.txt. So what is the field separator, team? I can give comma. I can give. So my source having coming column names like employee number, employee name, job. Same thing I want in my output means we need to select this option, include header. So I have defined my properties. Now let me save the job, file and save the job. So now I want to execute the process. There is a run button. There is a run tab. Click the run button. How many records should load, team? My source having how many records are coming? How many records? 9 records. My target, how many records are going? 3 records. So let me open my target. I should see only DEPT number I should see only DPT number 10 records, right? Let me check it. Is it coming, team? So now I want to load only, my condition is, let me change. I want to load DPT number 10 and salary equal to 8,000. How many records it will load, team? And condition. DPT number 10 and salary equal to 8,000. How many records it will load, team? And means both conditions are true, then only load the data. So first record, salary, is it 8,000 or different? Is this record it will load into the target or not? It will not load it.
Not loading.
What about this record? What about this record?
This record to load.
Disregard
It
not.
will load it. It will load it.
Loaded.
What about this record?
Not load.
So
This will also not.
okay, so it will load only, perfect. It will load only one record, second record. So let me how to implement the condition. Let me go for the tFilter row. I already defined the one condition. Another condition I want to define it. So let add one more plus symbol. Salary equal to, select the salary column equal to 8,000. So let me go for the output. So let me give the different file name. 41. So let me run the job. Before running, we need to save the job, file and save the job. So let me run the job. 41, right? Demo 41. I should see only one record. Let me run the job. See, I can see only one record. Let me go for demo 41. So this is the way to generate the, this is the way to read the data text file and load into target. So I want to reject the data, I want to capture into another file. See, my source having 9 records. I'm loading only one record. The rejected data, I want to generate one more text file. So I want to generate the text file. Which component I have to use, team? Which component? Can somebody tell me?
tFile output delimiter.
Perfect. I want to generate the text file, means we have to use it. So how to take it? Easiest way. Keep the cursor here. Type it. tFile output delimiter. Select it. So let me go for tFilter row. Right click row and reject the rejected data. My condition is true. Load into the target. My condition is not true. Reject it. 1 second. So now double click the tFile output delimiter. Browse the target path where I have to reject the data. I want to save it. Go for the documents and then softwares. So let me go for the batch folder. We'll create new folder for our batch. So let me give it rejected data demo 42.txt. Okay, so let me give here 42. Okay, so this is the valid data, the remaining is invalid data. Let me run the job now. So let me go here, field separator comma. So let me include header. Let me run the job. So see, my total 9 records. One record is valid. Remaining invalid records. How many records, team? 8 records. So let me open the output also. Demo 42, 1 record. Perfect. Let me open it. Perfect. 1 record is perfect. So the rejected data. How many records I should see? 8 records. See, this is error message. Why it is failing? Because of my condition is not matching. That's why it is rejecting. This is the way to filter the data. tFilter row, it will support single input and single output, one reject link. It means two links, two output links. One is the main output, one is the rejected link. It will support. It will support only single input link. Is it clear, team, everybody? So what we have did it. So
Yes, sir.
there is a one text file. I want to read the text file. I want to apply some condition. I want to load into valid record into one target. The rejected data I want to load into another text file. To read the text file, we have to use tFile input delimiter component. To load the text file, we have to use the tFile output delimiter. To filter the data, we have to use the tFilterRow component. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll take questions before going the questions. Please, guys, please observe. So each class will provide the recordings, guys. Whichever I am explain the class, that recordings I will provide you. Each class recording I will provide. Along with, we have prepared the documents. Okay. So these documents are very, very useful. So let me show you some sample example. So let me go for the talent, right? So there is a around 20 documents are there. So let me open any one document. It is clear steps, guys. Even 10th class students also able to understand it. That much level we have prepared it. So let me take a sample. See with the screenshots. So let me show you some sample. Okay. So what is t-row generator? What we have to do with the clear steps. So let me explain. We have explained first document, right? Let me open first document. See what is tFilterRow? Okay, with the clips, guys. These documents are very, very useful for everyone. Okay, with the screenshots. With the screenshots. Okay, so we'll provide each class recordings as well as documents. Okay, so along with we'll so let me show you. So online classes will conduct, recording training videos will provide, real-time scenarios will explain it. We have already prepared the sessions. Real-time scenarios documents also we have. Let me show you the documents. Nandini softwares. So documents, right? Let me go for the documents. So there is some real-time scenarios. So around 8 to 9 documents are there. This also with clear steps. You don't need to worry about. It's having clear steps, everything with a screenshot. Okay. So we'll provide a real-time scenarios and training materials. This is the first one I have shown, right? That is the materials will provide you. Project explanation, resume preparation, how to prepare the resume, how to put in the Nakuri, how to get the job will help you. Mock interviews will conduct it. Doubts clarification sections will conduct the special classes for doubts clarification. Along with interview questions and answers will conduct it. If you are interested to learn talent, okay, this is the course duration 45 days. It means 35 working days. Sunday will not calculate, right? So that's why Saturday some special classes will conduct it. This is my WhatsApp number 9538160185. If you're interested, you can contact me. The regular classes is going to start from Wednesday because tomorrow is the Ramjan, right? I don't want to conduct it. Some people are there, so they will also join, right? So that's why. So this is my WhatsApp number 9538160185. If you're interested, you can join me. Okay, so the course fees is the 10,000. So I'm giving the 2,000 discount for everyone. So we can allow 2 installments or 3 installments, 2 installments or 3 installments. So minimum registration fees is the 3,000. Okay. So if you're interested, you can contact me. So I'm stopping recording.